Hi there, I'm James from the Test Engine team here at Buildkite, and today I'm going to walk through our newest feature, Workflows. So Workflows is all about automating the lifecycle of your test suite in real time. Let's take a look at how it keeps your tests fast, reliable, and cheap to run. First, click through to Workflows from your test suite, and you'll land on a list of active workflows. By default, Test Engine will have one set up to identify flaky tests. But let's set up a new one so we can see what workflows can do for us. So today we have 3 reliability monitors you can pick from to monitor the health of your tests, with more monitors coming online very soon. Let's take a look at this transition count monitor. Transition count is a flaky test detector. It tracks how often a test flips between pass and fail. If it's always passing, it'll have a low score. If it's flip-flopping, it's going to have a high score. And if it passes and then fails consistently, then it's back to a low score. So you can tweak the evaluation window and the alarm and recovery thresholds. But we've got some sane defaults to get you started. Now, let's take a look at targeting exactly what you care about. Perhaps it's the team, the file location, or the type of test. Or maybe it's the main branch or a merge queue. You can set up tag filters to get the precise control that you're after. Okay, what happens when a test triggers an alarm? Well, you get to decide. You can add a label. Let's set this one to flaky. We can also change the state of the test. Let's make this muted, and we'll keep our critical path or our merge queue clear. We'll probably want to notify the team responsible. So let's drop in a message into Slack. And we can also insert variables from the workflow events. We can create new linear issues. We can send webhook notifications. And coming very soon, you'll be able to trigger Buildkite pipelines and create Jira tickets. Of course, when the recovery threshold is also hit, you can trigger all of those actions as well. Let's take a look at some of the tests that are currently under management. Okay, we can see here that this test has been muted. An issue has been created, and it's been assigned to a team already to triage. We can see here that this is created by the transition count workflow, and as every test has an audit log, we can then go into test events, and we can see that the test event changed to muted by the transition count workflow. We can click through here, and we can see all of the data that led to making that decision. And that's workflows. By automating actions, you cut down on toil. The right people get notified. And with muting, your critical path stays clear. This increases the reliability of your suite and reduces a bunch of wasted compute. We're super excited, and we can't wait to see what you build with it.